Hey everyone, just a quick video to say like how food and our diet ties into our soul's purpose and the wish our soul has to experience here on earth in terms of lessons and personal inner growth and expansion of the soul that we are, okay? So like many people talk about, including me, how raw living food has better, it's higher quality biochemically, magnetically, its aura, the sun energy, life force inside of it, and the thyroidal fields of it, the vitamins, minerals, enzymes, living water, structured water, the fiber. Basically, it's healthier and it'll give you life and help supply you with your body's needs. Whereas cooked food is denatured, it's destroyed in many ways, and it also creates like harmful toxins. So if everything, as Tesla said, can be understood in the universe in terms of frequency, energy, and vibration. So it's not, and like I think Shakespeare said, nothing is right or wrong, only thinking or ideas or opinions make it so. So like, it's not to incriminate or give out to anybody or say they're being bad or wrong for having cooked food. It's part of our soul's journey of emotional healing, as well as learning mentally and practicing things like discipline, trying out new stuff, seeing how we feel, listening to our body. So as we want to have a happier, more joyous, more healthy and energetic life and a better mood and a more creative potential, we will naturally gravitate to things that make us feel better and feed us in body, mind and spirit and emotion. So of course that's not to say that the old people, places, jobs, way of living and food and energy sources we derive energy from our old habits are bad or wrong. It's just like a stage of development, just like baby, toddler, younger child, early adolescence, teenager, early adulthood, older adulthood, early adulthood, middle age, older age, etc, etc, etc. No stage is better or worse than another. So that's all I really want to say. Like, we don't need to have any guilt or shame in terms of our diet. And we don't need to attack other people either. There's just endless lessons for our soul when we come here in a physical body, just like the film Avatar. We are the soul, truly. We are consciousness or energy, and it cannot be created or destroyed. So we do live on, we just get a different car. Our body is just like a car. I'm driving a car, that's my car, it's not who I am. Just like me, this body or your body is not who you are. We will leave the body, and it's a fun ride, you know. So enjoy the journey and enjoy the whole lessons associated with food. And love your body, and as I've evolved, I wanted to pick food that loves me back as much as I love the taste of it. It's not just pure in the moment instant gratification. Personally speaking, I find food, it can be a bit like orgasmic, if you know what I'm saying. Like peak orgasms can and usually do either clitoral or peak orgasm for man, where they, you know, that can leak or spend a lot of energy and nutrients, physical matter and as well as energy, you know. So there's nothing wrong with it, but basically speaking, moderation and gradually moving towards like lesser amounts over time tends to be what works best for the vast majority of people. So because growth typically is a gradual process, even from baby to an adult. So yeah, we have our slips and falls along the way, but there's no need to judge yourselves or anybody else. Lots of love, thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps.
Many people have been inquiring, and I want to offer you my 2 free PDF ebooks if you're interested. One is Self-Awareness and Living in the Now, which is a 43-pager, and that talks about a bio of me and some of my past, and about living in the now and being present and mindful and meditative, and also a bit about self-awareness. And my main book, which is around 100, it was 171, but I added some more pages on. That's the main book, and that took a few years to make, and it took a long time to learn the lessons required to be able to share this with you for the upliftment of the collective consciousness of the world, which is part of my soul purpose and mission here, being an infinite soul having a human body, just like you. So if anyone's interested, just private message me. I'd love to share with you. Heal Yourself. The main book is called Heal Yourself, Your Life, Relationship, Family and Ancestral Line, and it's a really awesome book, and I'm proud of it, and I'd love to share with you. Lots of love and have a great day. Peace, love and respect.